This is gonna be the bun that you wanna wear to everything because it's so simple and classic, but it looks like you got your hair professionally done. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and it's so easy. I slept in my heatless curlers last night, so my hair's curled, but we're just gonna work with whatever hair you have. If it's straight, curly, whatever. It's not gonna matter that much as long as it's smooth and not like crazy frizzy. So I'm just going to gather my hair at the back of my head towards the nape of my neck. I'm gonna smooth it out. And then I'm just gonna take a strong hair tie. This is just like a cheap, regular one that I grabbed from the grocery store, and I'm gonna secure my hair in a ponytail. I'm now gonna add in a clear elastic about 1.5 to 2 inches down my ponytail. I'm gonna flatten that out a little bit with my fingers, and then I'm gonna tuck it underneath. Then I'm gonna begin taking the rest of my ponytail and just twisting it while holding my first little bun section in place. I'm now gonna take my pins and just start securing that after I've wrapped it around my bun until I ran out of hair. And then you can just loosen the twisted part around your bun however much you want or need to. I like mine to be a little bit looser, but still pretty sleek. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish off with a light hold hairspray. And this is just gonna be to keep any flyaways in place. And then I also love to add a little bit of shine spray or silkening spray just to keep it really shiny and glossy.